In the 20 years I've been with Advent One, we've seen a massive shift in our customer challenges. When I started, we were working in a monolithic application world, traditional waterfall models, and the world has changed. Customers are facing very rapid change. I've seen that move to very agile, fast reaction rates, a lot of microservices, and what we're also seeing is application vendors now delivering their software packages as containers. While we're moving to this new world, the main challenge customers are facing are also talent and acquiring talent, the expense of acquiring talent.
The Red Hat OpenShift service on AWS is a fully managed service co-engineered by AWS and Red Hat that simplifies the adoption of the enterprise features of OpenShift and integration with other AWS services. There's a unified support model and billing, which makes it easy to consume and easy to deploy.
So when I think about ROSA application development platform, it's two things that really spring out to me, which is time to market, right? How long does it take me to build out my version of an application development platform? And two is operational overhead. How much labor is involved in supporting that platform ongoing. Using a platform like Red Hat OpenShift on AWS, it gives you that opportunity to drive down your costs and focus on delivering business value.
Customers can focus on deploying and managing their applications as opposed to managing the underlying infrastructure. The Red Hat OpenShift service on AWS is easy to scale, easy to support due to the unified support model from Red Hat and AWS. The ease of integration with other AWS services is relatively straightforward, as well as the overarching security model to reduce a client's attack surface when deploying containers on the AWS cloud.
ROSA is everything we loved about Amazon Cloud, married up with the power of OpenShift, right? The operator catalog, all the infrastructure that I can layer on top of my cluster through a trusted software supply chain, with all that vendor support right through the stack, jointly supported by Amazon and Red Hat SREs.
So Taylor, we have a couple of use cases in our client base at the moment. Would you like to take us through some of those?
I thought you'd never ask, Chase. But look, the theme is relatively reoccurring, where we have a lot of clients that are using third-party ISV software. The ISVs are pushing them to be able to adopt new features, take on new versions, or if there's a new project coming. They need to be able to go into a certified environment. So there's a lot of certification with ISVs in OpenShift. There's certified operators, it's easy to deploy, easy to get working. But again, customers don't want to take care of the underlying platform. They want to be able to consume a service on their AWS cloud environment, which is where ROSA kicks in. Yeah. We've seen customers being very successful in their adoption.
So when you do decide to get started on this journey, please do contact us via our website. We also do have some service offerings on the AWS marketplace. We look forward to working with you.